Teaching critical thinking skills to your kiddos when they are reading. Why do kids need to know that? Kids need to be critical thinkers for innovation for their futures. If they want to be able to come up with great ideas, they're going to need to be able to think about their thinking. So using this story of the three little bears, what kind of questions are you asking your students? The old standbys, who is in the story, where did it take place? Those are great questions. But how do we get them to be critical thinkers? One way is to use a smart guess question. Why do you think that Goldilocks needed a nap? The next skill could be making a logical argument. Tell your buddy what you think would happen if Goldilocks hadn't fallen asleep, and why. Making predictions. Goldilocks broke the baby's chair. What do you think will happen next? Why? Teaching cause and effect. This can be kind of hard, especially in the younger grades. But doing maybe an everyday event and figuring out cause and effect with that, and then use it with a story. Mrs. Dottle sat on a chair and it broke. What caused the chair to break? What was the effect of Mrs. Dottle sitting on the table? Apply it to the story. Making inferences can also increase critical thinking skills. Look at some pictures from a storybook. Have students infer about what caused things to happen. So if they see a picture of a broken chair, what might have made that happen? Connecting your students to the text. Baby Bear was sad or mad that his chair broke. Tell your buddy about a time when you were sad or mad. Evaluating a story. Was it a good idea for Goldilocks to go into the Three Bears' house? Why or why not? Drawing conclusions as you read. What kind of story is this? Why do you think that? Giving opinions about a story is also a good skill. Rate this story from 1 to 10, 10 being the best. Tell why you gave this story that score. Finally, giving them time to think. When you ask students questions, giving them 5 or 10 seconds before they get a chance to answer will really make all the students think, not just a few.